ZUF ni singnaba miyuisingna kwamana puba gari ani lokhada inthakre ngasi Imphal Jiri Lambi National Highway number 37 da kwamana puduna lakpa Tata Yoda gari ani Kaithelma birom dai Scotland dagi khara chalga leiba Khonglong Kabui khulmanakta ZUF ni singnaba masak khangdaba khulai matik chana paiba miyoi kharana lambi da thoraklaga kwamana puba gari ani bu lokhada inthaduna akaya toi thon khre hairi thogok asi ngarang ayu pung humrom tabu tamda Jiri dagi Imphal fawa kwamana puduna lakpa Yoda mini truck ani bu ZUF ni singnaba masak khangdaba miyoi kharana gari khamduna gun point da driver singbu gari dagi kumthalaga gari adu lokhada inthakibani hairi amadi driver sing adudagi mobile phone ahum su bun hore haina pausna makhatari lokhada inthukraba gari adugi registration number singdi AS11EC4645 amadi AS11FC0955 ni pausi tabdagi thogdok thopa maduda police amasung CRPF singna laktuna yingsinki amoromda ngasi gi thogdok asi akan mamongda kandem tawi masi kanana karigi tawribano haibado sengdopira u haina ngasi Jiribam gi Kalinagarda leiba all Jiribam Battle Nut and Leaf Growers and Marketing Forum gi office ta pangtokiba pawgi mifam aduda forum asigi secretary Sainik Singna phongdokki mahang makata na haikibada housing Manipur sida irang kana leiringai matam asida gari thoriba driver singda fu chaiduna amadi gari da hapa po chai sing mangan kibasi yaningde haina phongdokki Thanga Assembly constituency ki MLA Tongbram Ravindro nangsi Manipur ki governor Ajay Kumar Balag unaduna constituency asigi ki isu kya kanakre governor unaruba duda MLA Tongbram Ravindro na Sangai ethnic park sabada legang na miyam tagi loksin kiba grazing ground amadi lofam acre taret muki lamgi alternative lampi gani haikiba adu pithoknaba taksiladuna constituency asida nationalized bank amasu sabinaba Ajay Kumar Balagda wafum talungki hairi irang na manam oiduna lanjelakpa IDPs lising chamri marfu taret constituency asida leiriba mahelu sangamati lekai gi community hall singda yarektuna leiri maram asina IDPs singna leinaba prefabricated house sabinaba mamangi lengak leingai dagi taksinduna lakibadu thabak oina onthoklamdabagi matangda su governor da IDPs singna Lainaba prefabricated house sabinaba taksilam ki hairi loinana kaksingi SP Priyadarshini ayhaki loinabi oirabasu government gi service ta laibani mahaki thabaki posting gi matangda rajniti gi chenaba karisu leite government na pirakpa posting da athingba leite haina phongdolongki
sangai ati pak chabu tamda asagi akoi grazing ground am le laiba grazing ground chi sangai ati pak chabu tamda grazing ground akokiba ado hojik ai public na grazing ground leitrabani na sai matam le government na ai basi alternative lamama pinya hai grazing ground ki adu lamdo hajo pi de pending lai adu lamdo pinya ba topiro sangai ethnic park sabtam da public ki parking space ama daka ta badegi around 7 acres muk makona lamama government ki parking sem location ki adu lamdo su government na alternative amount of pinya hai bani mamang le government na hai ba adu alternative lamdo pi ngam madamina Actually, because the government ya jadi untuk proses okiraga, adu lam ekor iseng tapak tomat okiraga adu ka haiba. Because the bank, nationalized bank branch apa boleh ke? Nationalized bank branch apa boleh kita besi atau pakai nasional yang boleh lagi. Adu ai kisu nationalized bank ama hang bagi. Hana mamang deki long pending mana? Si adu maga kara government highlight tu. ACC office sama, oh sama kerja orang isu. Kian dekat tinggi ACC makasih nama boleh lagi. Ado hari saya lagi tangga kena kisu SSK for sama create view atau SSK sama hand view hai betul mah ini government ada hai mana hai betul he was very nice and he said what if we can he will try to help me he will try to help us he was so good he was so understanding aku kita IDPPC internet displaced person si yan ham berdiri 2007 develop ado hojik ai tangga kena lesi 1487 aku IDPPC layak Haiba 1487 IDPP 66 apoi lakai ke madokta community hall da school da ground da khajale man amolai lai bunga tanya pa mamang lemba previous government da I brought so many times I asked so many times akoi gizu prefect yung kha sabiu hajiki IDPP level sinau chingi mai wari ba mo level sabang khang de yam chingi yenga prefect house ka sabiu in many times I request I wrote the letters also. I wrote the letters to the concerned DC also, and DC has forwarded the letter to the government also. I'm the term there. After jaga this hagi, adu so in the government highlight the issue prefect the jumlah sabiu I it's now yenga. As I give IDP now papa mum lai mase prefect house side. Di masa saraga piya ba. Hai betul, I just thank the gizu lai ba IDP now the sabiu I mase. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯔꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯔꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯤꯌꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ private house to khas sabi ho na. So whatever decision taken by the government, whatever the job tasks given by the government, she has to follow. If the government wants her to go to the Geneva, she has to go. And if the government wants her to go to the Sisipu, she has to go. Because my government is having and we don't have any interference with political. Layamba adu ay side issue like that. Adu as far as I know, my wife is very committed with her job.